behind and head towards open water, you'll notice that this is a popular spot for divers searching for exotic fish. Right runner, 20 degrees. Set course directly over the lost city. Thanks. Stand by for weather watch. Our destination today is quite extraordinary. A newly erupting deep water volcano. Even here in the shallows, we can see evidence of such geothermal forces constantly at work. You can tell by our surroundings that they can make some pretty dramatic changes to the landscape. These remnants of an ancient civilization are hidden for centuries beneath the ocean floor. Hidden until unearthed by a tremendous volcanic event. The colourful reef that surrounds us is a biological 40 degrees thrives in warm, shallow waters. It usually takes more than a year for a coral to grow only 1 inch. An amazing fact, as we look at this in one Australia's Great Barrier Reef, stretches over 12,000 kilometres from kind. The coral reef.
Radar 1, surface storm ahead, sir.
No worries. We'll take it down fast and deep. All controls, 8 degrees down.
Down 80.
Set course to 70 degrees true. Steady as she goes.
Aye, sir.
The fish world has always been considered a silent habitat. But now, thanks to remarkable advances in marine technology, we can use instruments such as our sonar hydrophones to actually hear the fish talk.
Mr. Ray, we can't explore without Nemo.
I'm sure we see him any minute now.
Nemo!
Oh, science is great, there's so much to know. Climb aboard explorers, it's time to go.
What if Nemo's shooting out the
Oh, don't worry.
water bags and tasty waves? Sure, sure. Where? EAC, dude. It'll be like, whoa, like, whoa. Let's go.
We're approaching the EAC.
Hold her steady. Take her into the current. All head standard. Powerful flow of the East Australian current is like an undersea highway. Many creatures can be found commuting in this current, including the majestic sea turtle. Look at you! Welcome to the EAC, Minnie Marlin!
This is fun! We're gonna hit the
This is not funny, and I'm no funny. I'm a clownfish. Nemo!
Dude, check it out. Wow. It's a big sunken spot. Sweet.
Nemo! Where are you, Nemo?
Who's Nemo?
I am looking for my son.
Ooh, I can help.
It's Nemo!
Where?
I don't know where. That's what I'm trying to find.
By who?
My son, Nemo. You know that.
And you?
We went on a huge adventure together, which you don't remember at all.
Is he orange with white stripes?
Yes, have you seen him?
There's nothing I like better than canned food. Oh, don't worry, I'm not going to eat you. At least not all at once. No, Bruce, remember the press. Right then. I am Elisha, not a mindless eating machine. People are friends, not food. Right then, mates. Easy does it. You wouldn't want one of these balloons. Oh, that's it. Easy.
Secure all stations. System check.
Holding steady, sir.
Right. Let's resume speed.
All ahead forward.
Hey, Squirt, what are those twinkling things? I don't know. Race it there. Okay, go.
Jellyfish?
Dory, wait. What?
I see pretty lights.
I see them too.
Reach for the light.
It's getting closer.
I ain't got
That's me.
That's me.
How do I know it's you? It could be anybody.
It's not anyone. It's me.
Do I know you?
Dory.
Talk about a small world. My name's Dory too.
What's that? It looks like.
Oh, me first. I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Jellyfish.
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink, kind of balloonish. Boing.
It's jellyfish.
Good. Boing. Boing. And I'm thinking
Jellyfish. And the next one, jellyfish.
Mr. Smarty Pants. Boing. Boing.
Stop playing games. No, Dory. We invited to a party. Let's go.
I love parties. I found the hot tub.
It's not about finding hot tubs. It's about finding I found him. I was so worried.
About what?
Hey, did you guys notice the original volcano?
We're alive. We survived an erupting volcano, Nemo. Nemo? Nemo? Say something.
Can we do it again, Dad? Huh? Can we?
Oh, of course. When fish can fly.
Oh, I found Chico.
Nemo! It's Nemo! Yay! Nemo! Hey, girl! We saw a huge volcano go kaboom! Oh, you made me eat! Dad, you should see me surf the volcano!
Oh, give me some food. Noggin.
Dude! Nemo, check out all the whales! Cindy Plankton, he says that whales only eat krill. Then why's that whale eating that yellow submarine, dude? Whoa! That's one hungry whale! Cindy Plankton's never
Does it smell kind of whalish to you? Is it me? That's funny. Sounded like, hold on tight. I'm gonna Just keep swimming. Whoa! A big yellow whale! Wait, stop! Just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. What do we do? Swim, swim, swim. giant to any of this in the world.
No, mate, forget it. Nobody would believe it anyway. We better take her up before we have a run-in with a sea serpent or already encounter with a mermaid.
Aye, aye, Captain.